Hello everyone, it's Holly here, the Specscart Style Guru. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I've got a very special treat for you. I'm going to be talking all about different face shapes and which glasses styles suit those face shapes. Choosing the right pair of glasses can be a daunting task. There are so many different styles out there and so many different options. But by understanding what your face shape is, you can find a select few styles that will complement your features really well. So keep watching for a few simple guidelines on face shapes and which glasses to go for. Let's start with the basics. There are 5 primary face shapes. You've got square, oval, round, triangle and heart. If you want some further assistance, we have a face shape guide on our website which outlines all of these face shapes along with the glasses styles. But I'm going to walk you through each one of those now. So let's start off with triangular face shapes. If you're someone blessed with this face shape, it means that you have a narrower forehead and a wider jawline. So the goal here is to create balance. So you're going to want to opt for a frame that is slightly broader on top and narrower on the bottom to align with the triangular face shape. So in this situation, rectangular, cat eye and semi-rimless frames are your best friend. For example, here I have the Abbey frames. These are a cat eye frame and they are perfectly complementary for triangular face shapes because they come out wider at the top and are narrower at the bottom. Therefore, they're going to complement a narrower forehead. Next up is round face shapes. If you're someone with a round face shape, you're going to want to focus on angles and structure. Geometric shapes such as square, half rim or rectangular glasses and sunglasses will complement you perfectly. For example, the Kempston frame, which is a geometric shape, would suit you perfectly because you're adding just a few subtle angles to your round face shape. I've also got the Grantham frames here, which are your classic Wayfarer style frame. These have a couple of right angles on them, which are going to complement you really well. By going for these glasses shapes, you're going to add a little bit of structure and alleviate some of that softness of the round face shape. And now we've got oval face shapes. So if you have an oval face shape, it means that your forehead and your jawline are going to be pretty well balanced already, which means that a lot of glasses shapes are going to suit you really well. So it's kind of a question as to whether you want to go for a more statement frame, like our Dewsbury frame, or you want to go for a subtle, more accentuating frame like the Violi frame. Okay, and now we have square face shapes. So when you've got a square face shape, you're going to want to focus on softening your angles a little bit. So oval glasses and circular glasses are a very complementary frame for you. In my hands here, I have the Hearts Hill frames. These are beautiful because they are a slightly oversized frame, which when people have square face shapes, they often want to go for a wider frame, just to soften that jawline a little bit. It can look really nice. And lastly, we've got heart face shapes. If you're blessed with a heart face shape, it means that you have a slightly larger forehead and a more delicate chin. Any style of frame will suit you. However, we would recommend going for a round or a cat eye frame, such as the Harriet frame here, if you really want to accentuate your lovely face shape. By adding curves with your glasses style, you can create a really nice equilibrium if you have a square face shape. Remember, these are just guidelines to help you get started. Personal style always plays a role, so don't be afraid to mix and match. Ready to put my tips to the test? Head to your nearest Specscart store and try on different frames from thousands of styles available. Whatever your vibe is, choosing the right pair of glasses is a way for you to flaunt your individuality and personal style. So head to our Specscart website today and browse thousands of different styles. And once you've chosen a short list of your favourites, don't forget to take advantage of our free home trial service. This is where you can take 4 pairs of glasses and have them delivered through your letterbox and try them for 7 days, absolutely free of charge. Thank you for tuning in today and watching our face shape guide. If you've got any further questions, drop us a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay fabulous and we'll catch you soon. Bye!